I'm gonna be meeting my friends in some time, so sorry for the lighting. And I'm kind of running late, so I have to really get ready really fast. So let's do that. See, Rose say hi. Devesh hi. Aesthetic looking hand, see Devesh. Buses and rain and Bhumika. Oh, and Nidhi also. Oh wait. Hi everyone. We're at my old school where I studied from KG to 12th. So far into my video, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. It means a lot to me that you guys have made it so far, and do let me know down in the comments how you like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you already subscribed, hit the notification bell as well so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Also, comment down below video ideas I can have in the future, and I'll be seeing you on my next vlog, which will also be part of the hometown vlog series. Until then, bye guys.